Quantum computing, a journey through the quantum realm. Once upon a time, in a world of possibilities, there was a curious explorer named Emily. One day, while wandering through the forest of technology, she stumbled upon a mysterious door. Intrigued, Emily decided to open it and step into a realm unlike any she had ever encountered. As Emily entered the quantum realm, she discovered a world governed by strange and enchanting principles. She found herself surrounded by ethereal particles called qubits, the building blocks of quantum computing. Each qubit possessed a magical quality called superposition. They could exist in multiple states at once, like shimmering fireflies dancing in the night sky. Emily's eyes widened with excitement as she realized that these qubits had the power to perform mind-bending tricks. They could be entangled, forming an unbreakable bond that allowed them to communicate instantaneously, no matter how far apart they were. Emily couldn't resist the allure of exploring further. She stumbled upon a grand library filled with ancient books, each containing a quantum algorithm waiting to be unleashed. Guided by the wisdom of the books, Emily learned about incredible algorithms like Shor's algorithm, a secret key capable of unlocking the secrets hidden within complex numbers. Excited by the potential of these quantum powers, Emily sought out the guidance of the great quantum masters. These brilliant minds knew the secret language of quantum programming. Under their tutelage, Emily discovered the languages of Qiskit and Quill, which allowed her to craft elegant quantum circuits. She began to orchestrate intricate symphonies of qubits, conducting them to solve complex problems. However, Emily soon realized that the quantum realm was not without its challenges. The delicate nature of qubits made them susceptible to noise and errors, like a gust of wind disturbing a delicate balance. Undeterred, Emily continued her quest, joining forces with fellow adventurers who sought to overcome these obstacles. Together, they delved deeper into the quantum realm, seeking solutions and breakthroughs. Along their journey, Emily and her companions witnessed the growth of quantum computing. They marveled at the advancements made by visionary companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft, who forged the path towards practical quantum computers. As Emily reached the end of her quantum odyssey, she realized that quantum computing held the key to unlocking new frontiers. From optimizing complex systems to revolutionizing drug discovery, the possibilities were boundless. With a heart full of wonder, Emily returned from the quantum realm, carrying the knowledge and excitement she had gained. She shared her discoveries with the world, inspiring others to venture into the quantum realm themselves. And so, the tale of Emily's quantum adventure came to an end, but the story of quantum computing continues to unfold. As we journey through this ever-evolving realm, let us embrace its mysteries and work together to shape a future where quantum computing transforms our world. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.